Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious hot chocolate from cocoa powder using an easy method. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, 1 cup of milk, and just a tiny pinch of salt. Having these ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable, ensuring a perfect cup every time. Now, let's combine our dry ingredients. In a small saucepan, whisk together 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder and 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. This step is crucial for preventing lumps later on. Don't forget to add a tiny pinch of salt. It truly enhances the chocolate's depth and richness, making your hot chocolate taste even better. Next, we'll introduce the milk. Gradually pour 1 cup of your chosen milk into the dry mixture in the saucepan. Place it over medium heat and whisk continuously. Keep whisking until the mixture is completely smooth and begins to steam, but do not let it come to a rolling boil. This gentle heating ensures a creamy, perfectly warm beverage. Finally, your homemade hot chocolate is ready to enjoy. Carefully pour the warm, rich beverage into your favorite mug. Now comes the fun part: customization. You can top it with a generous dollop of whipped cream, a handful of fluffy marshmallows, or even some delicate chocolate shavings. Sip and savor this comforting treat you've made yourself.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.